Once you have assigned a resource to a course and it has been published by you in Canvas, the students of that course will be able to access the resource. They'll simply log into Canvas as they normally would to access their grades and other course materials. The resource will be found under the Assignments tab in Canvas for the student. To access the resource, your students will click the link as shown here. They may have to re-authenticate through Canvas when the resource appears. Once done, they can view the resource as a student. If the resource has assessments, the student will be able to answer them and submit their responses. More information on how you can grade responses, track standards, and save grades can be found in the link in the description.